Recording.
In this video, we're counting down our 5 candidates for the best body cam bust. So watch them all and vote in the comments. Here we go. Secret stash. These 2 wildlife officers have been on this commercial fishing boat for over 30 minutes, measuring and counting red grouper, when one of the officers down below discovers something fishy.
They said that there's nothing in here. That's just on the surface. There's 2 that was missing there. I think those are honest misses. But that's loaded down.
All of that's loaded down?
What is that? I just went down an inch and found all those. I haven't even started digging. Is that shorts? I haven't measured them.
They didn't claim it. They said it was empty.
I was told that this whole thing was empty.
We can work with y'all on a lot of things. I don't like being lied to.
Officers find a compartment with fish that appear to have been intentionally hidden.
But your mate told me.
Which one?
Well, they're probably. Your mate said that this is just ice. There's no fish in here at all. I just had to do that to the ice, and I've already found that many. All I'm saying right now is that I just found fish that I was told that there was
nothing.
Fish in that area. So right now, that just looks suspicious.
Yeah. Okay.
If you hide stuff from us, it's called interference. It's worse than just owning it.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Let's start finding what's hidden. Oh yeah. Front was loaded down. Let the captain know. Front was loaded down. 2 pieces of wood was on top of the ice.
Okay, so
they hit them underneath it. Dividers that y'all use, the 2x4s. Yeah. So when I got up there and found them, there was all the groceries up there, and then there was 2x4s laid on top of the fish with ice on top of the 2x4s laid on top of. So it's like fish, 2x4, ice. Cap, I don't like being lied to. This is a lot of extra fish.
It's mini season, no excuses.
How many do you have? You know?
It was so hard trying to hold on with one hand and hold the lobster in the other.
We're in the Florida Keys where wildlife officers are measuring a boat's catch of lobster.
You know you can only have 6 in your bag.
I had no idea.
Yes, sir. Yeah. You can.
Miami, I don't know. I didn't expect to heard that. Laws have changed recently, I'm guessing?
No. You can't harvest for other folks. You can only harvest your 6.
As they measure more and more lobsters, they begin to realize just how many illegal lobsters are on board.
There's a lot of shorts in there too. Did you measure them?
Like I said, I had no chance to do anything while
Do you have a measuring gauge?
Not with me on there.
You got to have that on you, and you got to measure them in the water prior to putting them in your bag.
I had no idea, to be honest with you.
You have no idea? Unfortunately, that's not a good excuse, sir. This is lobster mini season. Those are short.
These are all short.
Those are all short, and those are good? How many total?
Get 18 total, and 14 are short.
Really? You've got 14 undersize, which is way over your bag limit, and 18 total, which is 3 times your bag limit. You're very lucky you're not going to jail today.
At number 3, 21 violations in 1 cooler.
How's it going, guys? How are y'all?
Here we have 2 men throwing cast nets off a small bridge.
I need to take a look at some fish. All right. Fish, mullet, all mullet. All right. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, who caught these? You caught all these? You know what those are? Those are snook. It's 1 per person, and they got to be bigger than 28 inches and less than 32 inches. You have 7 snook. No, you're not. I'm going to take you to jail. Okay? So go ahead, turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're being charged with 7 counts of undersized snook, 6 counts for over the bag limit of snook, 7 counts for taking snook by illegal method, 1 count of major violation pertaining to snook for being more than 3 fish in violation, and you're going to get a ticket for no snook stamp. Do you have any questions?
Okay, we're back in the Keys for number 4, Pocket Lobster Bandit. Wildlife officers respond to a report that a man was snorkeling without a dive flag. They attempt to stop and speak to the man, but he decides he doesn't want to talk.
Hey! Hey! Keep me on dock. Hey, FWC, come here. Back up. On your hands and knees. On the ground. Hands on your feet, on your face. On the ground. Lay down. Stay. Do not move. Do not move. Hands up. Hands behind your back. Why are you running? Why are you running?
Watch your head. Watch your head.
He's with you. I'm getting the other one.
Okay. Anything in the boat?
No.
Just in your pocket?
That guy's lucky day. I found another one.
Found another one?
Yeah, it's like a... Might be the smallest one. Yeah, I found another one.
Found one more?
Yeah.
No way.
Middle of the street. It's all on BodyCam. Walk right up on it.
Really? Come on, man. What are you gonna do with that? Honestly.
Baby?
You're gonna eat that. That's like a shrimp. Not even a shrimp. I've eaten shrimp that are bigger than that, sir. Come on, man. Come on.
And finally, wild boat ramp arrest. We're joining a train wreck already in progress.
Alright, stand back. Stand back. Alright, you're arrest.
Take that shit out.
Get back.
Do nothing. Why do you gotta be a
We have one officer who is attempting to arrest the man in handcuffs for boating under the influence, and his family's not happy about it.
Easy.
No, you're
Alright? Get back.
While waiting for backup to arrive, the officer tries to de-escalate the situation.
Back. Alright. I understand. Back. I don't want to tase you.
I'm asking you. You guys are tearing your family apart.
Hey, come over here and just sit. Just sit down on the curb, alright? I understand.
You.
Alright.
No, you.
Okay.
Why is he being a little bitch for?
Hey! No! 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 No!
I got you.
No!
I got you.
Dude, don't make me tase you. Don't make me tase you.
Listen,
Stop!
Hold on.
Stop! Get down on the ground and stay right there. You hear me? I'm not around now. I'm not around.
That's it. Now jump to the comments and vote. Top 5 best comments get a prize pack from our YouTube partner, Discover Florida. As always, thanks for watching and be safe out there.